Just picked up this old toolbox and it's full of tools. It's from, what's it say, Stirling Castle, which I think was the ship that sailed, and the 29th of 7th 1960 was the date. It's a solid timber carpenter's trunk, and you open it up and it's full of tools, little drawers, original distressed paint in there. Work our way through. Have a look what we've got. Milk of magnesia, obviously inside. Little bits and pieces. I don't know what all these tools are. Little pliers. It's a leather punch, I think. This one's got a spoke shave. Robinson Hall, Sheffield. And a nice little set square. Chisels. And this one's got some chisels in there. So they're braids, which is the brand. They're nice chisels. On the top shelf, there's more chisels in there. Most of the label's still intact on that one, and there goes a little insect. Got 3 bugs. So they're braids. What's this one got? Got a little level there. A little tool for extracting nails, I think. Or that's solid brass. What's that one say? Taylor, Sheffield, England. We'll work our way down. I'm hooked up on something. We've got some. Oh, what's in that one? Not sure. Got some files in there. Some spinners. That paint's really nice. Original little handles, missing one over here. I don't know what this thing is. Joseph Dixon warranted. It's quite sharp. I don't know what this bit is. That's cool. Warrior cut through taps. I don't know what this is. Still don't know what they are. I don't know, some kind of brackets or something. Anyway. I don't know what that is. I'm sure someone knows what its purpose is. Okay, so under here there's another little drawer. Nothing too exciting in there. Here's something else like Don't know what that is either. What else we got in here? A little brass top level. Sharpening stone. Little hand drills, a hammer. There's a wood plane in here. It's a Stanley. Get them back. And then in here, so we've got the set square there, big solid square. It's made by Smallwood, makers Birmingham. And under here, I can open it. I'll get some help. Here you go, you hold that one for me. I opened before, only if you go the right way. Yeah, there we go. And under here we have some saws. It's pretty cool. That's Japan, so they're not crazy old or anything. That's a nice little toolbox. And there it is. So I'm not sure whether we'll probably sell it as a complete toolbox rather than pull everything out of it, but I'll let you know in the next couple of days. See you later.